All right, so this is Bill Quain along with Amanda, and we're going to show you how to create a, great looking register now page on your website. And so, Amanda, we're on the Race Directors Workshop website right now, correct?
Yes.
All right, so if you look on the left-hand side, we have a button that says Register Now, don't we?
Yep.
Okay, so people click on that, and what do they see?
They just have to fill out the form where it says register, and you choose if you are a race director registration for $35 or race committee member for $30.
Okay, good. So here's this is great. Everybody is everybody sees what we have here now. That registration page that you see there is actually on the website of our registration company that we hired. So let's see how we would create that and how you would do that in this website. So now we're going to show you how to do this page. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to sites.google.com. Okay, and this is where this is where you have already set up your free Google website, and you might have more than one of them. That's the great thing about this. You can have as many as you want. So we do that, and then you sign in your account, right, Amanda?
Right. In this case, we already signed in before. So you can
Okay,
go to Google and sign into your account before going to sites, or you can sign in.
okay. And so we're in there right now. That's the great thing about Google, since it's all integrated. You know, if you have your Google Gmail account open, it's going to automatically pull up, your tab there. So now we look for the website we're going to be working on, right, Amanda? We only have one listed here, don't we?
Correct.
The fundraising events made simple.com website, or not .com, but or is it the race? What's it called? Race Directors Workshop?
No, it's fundraising events made simple.
Okay, yeah, that's just what I named it. So click on that,
Okay.
and now we can. So it opened up the website we're working on, right, Amanda?
Right. And at the top, you can see that you have the option to edit the website.
That's that. Is it a pencil?
Yep, there's a pencil, there's a page with a plus sign where you can create a page, and then there's a tool gear for more actions.
Okay, so so we're going to be adding this iframe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new page. Okay, so let's click on the plus sign there.
And what would you like to name your page?
Let's call this Reg Page Example.
Okay. And in this case, we're selecting the template of a web page.
Yes, so just select that template called a web page. It's just going to be a blank web page.
Okay, and now click create.
Okay.
All right, and now we have a blank page.
And this blank page has been created within the account, within the website we're working on, which is the Race Directors Workshop, which we call Fundraising Events Made Simple. So now what we want to do is we want to up on the left-hand side there, top left. What is it? Is it file and then insert? What are the names of the things up there?
There's insert, format, table, layout, and help.
Okay, we're going to be inserting a thing called an iframe here, and the iframe is going to take us to another website. It's going to be like a window you look through. Okay, so let's click on insert.
Okay.
And then tell us what we do, Amanda.
So we're going to go to the middle column where it says gadgets and scroll down and click on more gadgets. And then luckily iframe is one of their featured gadgets. So we have the option to search for other gadgets, but I'm just going to click on include gadget iframe and hit select.
Okay.
And then we have to insert the URL. So do you want to insert the registration URL?
Yeah, so what we did was we went to the registration page on our registration company's website, and we got the URL. Now the URL is the address that's up in the navigation bar at the very top of everyone's website. Do you want to go there and we'll show people where that is as we're grabbing that?
Sure, I'm here right now, so I'm just
Okay.
going to highlight the entire URL and
You
right
see that? See how folks, how Amanda's doing that? That's great.
and then click copy. So now we will go back to our iframe and right click and hit paste, and that'll put in the URL for us. So now I will click OK. And you won't be able to see the Google gadget itself until you click save. So make sure you click save in the upper right-hand corner.
Oh, always save your work.
And there you go. It's on your page.
And no, that can't be that simple,
But it is.
but it is. Now, Amanda, what if you wanted to put a message on there as well, a text message
Sure.
on that page? How would you do that?
So now we will go to the pencil button where it says edit. And what I can do is I can just shift this down and type above it. And we have the option to just put normal text. So I will type normal text. And then we have the option to create that into a header. So I will highlight that and click format. And here you can choose header 2, header 3, header 4. And I'm just going to hit header 2 because that's my favorite. And that will just be a subheader on your page.
Isn't that unbelievable? And then you could write messages in there, that kind of stuff. Sometimes what Amanda and I do, and you'll see this actually on the Race Directors Workshop website, is we're always trying to back things up. So we'll actually type the URL address that you can go to if for some reason this isn't working, to go to the registration page. But that's because we're freaks about that kind of stuff. I've never known this not to work. So anyway, simple as that, folks. Now you've got your registration page right on your website. Oh, but you know what, Amanda? How do we then put a clickable navigation button on the website for people to go to?
So now we're going to scroll back up to the top and click on the gear button for more actions and scroll down to where it says edit site layout. And then on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on navigation. And then once we're on this page, I'm going to click add page, and it has a list of all the pages that we've made. So I'm going to click on reg page example, the one we just created, and click OK. And then I will just click OK. And now it is on the left-hand side where all the other navigation tabs are.
Yeah, when you go to the website next time, we're going to take that off there because otherwise it's kind of messy as we do each of these videos. So, but that's how you do it. And if you just wanted to stay there, so you can create any kind of page you want and put it in the navigation bar. It's just so cool. Sign it off.